I'm Ava. Welcome back to our channel, English Time.
And I'm Charlie. Welcome back.
Today, we're going to practice a real-life conversation.
About ordering coffee at a cafe.
I'll be playing the role of the customer.
And I'll be the barista taking the order.
Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and shadow our conversation.
It's totally okay to speak slowly or make mistakes. Every time you repeat, you get a little stronger.
So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders,
And let's start speaking English together. Hi there. Welcome to our cafe.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
I'd like a latte, please.
Great choice. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
And what kind of milk would you like? We have regular, soy, and oat milk.
Regular milk is fine, thank you.
Perfect. Would you like your latte hot or iced?
Hot, please.
All right. Would you like any sugar or syrup?
Just a little sugar, please.
1 sugar. Got it. Would you like anything else today?
Yes, please. Can I get a croissant as well?
Of course. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, that would be great, thank you.
You're welcome. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please.
All right. So, that's 1 medium hot latte with regular milk, 1 sugar, and 1 warm croissant.
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Your total is $5.50.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
Sure, you can tap your card right here.
All right.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Oh, welcome. I hope you like it.
Thank you. The cafe is very nice.
Thanks. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Great job. You just practiced a real cafe conversation in English.
Remember, speak slowly if you need, repeat as many times as you like, and shadowing helps your mouth, ears, and brain learn together.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Time for more English practice.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and know that you are improving every time you speak.